Hey everyone! Are you a pre-rinser? Well, I'm here to tell you to stop. Seriously, put that sponge down. Here's the deal, modern dishwashers and detergents are actually designed to work on dirty dishes. Most dishwasher detergents contain enzymes that need food particles to clean too. When you pre-rinse, you're essentially washing away the very thing the soap needs to do its job effectively. It's like sending a superhero to a city with no villains to fight. Plus, not pre-rinsing saves a surprising amount of water and energy. You're saving time at the sink and letting your machine do what it was built for. You might be surprised at how clean they come out.